Session recordings can be viewed after processing or monitored in real time during active sessions. Here's a secret with session recording enabled. We launch into a session. See that session appears here with the recording indicator above. Then we can switch to a different user. And we're able to view the active session by navigating to Admin, Session Monitoring, and clicking the View Session icon to the right of the session. Here we can see the active session by the first user. When viewing active sessions, we can send a message to the user session or end the session and disconnect the user by clicking the terminate icon to the right of the session and selecting from the action dropdown. Here we can see the user session is immediately disconnected and displays the message from the terminate action prompt. When searching for previously recorded sessions, we can search for and filter by various properties such as secret name, username, date, launcher type, and more. When playing back a recording, you'll also see a bar graph below the video indicating moments of mouse, keyboard, or screen activity. Idle moments in the session will appear as a flat line on the graph, and clicking moments of activity on the graph will move the video to that moment in the session. Recordings can be downloaded from the playback screen by clicking the download icon below the video.